Are you ready to unlock the secrets of science-backed fat loss? Dr. Andrew Huberman, a renowned neuroscientist, has just laid out a comprehensive roadmap to shedding pounds, all grounded in rigorous scientific research. He recently took to his podcast for a deep dive that spanned over 2 hours, revealing the ins and outs of fat loss through the lens of neuroscience. And if you're pressed for time, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll distill Dr. Huberman's lifetime of knowledge into an actionable guide, all in under 10 minutes. Let's keep the momentum going. Your support is crucial. A quick click to subscribe helps us bring you the cutting-edge content you look forward to. It's a small action on your part that drives our passion to deliver quality information. Let's get started. Embarking on a weight loss journey, it's crucial to understand the brain's role in this process. Our brain communicates with our body using hormones like adrenaline and epinephrine, which essentially tell our fat cells to release their stored energy. This isn't just limited to moments of intense exercise or stress. These hormones are continuously active, aiding in fat reduction. This information is vital for those looking to slim down because it highlights the importance of holistic health practices. Effective stress management can keep cortisol, a stress hormone that can hinder fat loss, in check. By keeping stress levels low, we encourage our body to maintain a steady flow of adrenaline and epinephrine, optimizing fat burning. Moreover, our diet can influence these hormones. Certain foods, like protein-rich meals, can increase the production of these fat-releasing hormones. Foods that are high in sugar, however, can spike insulin levels and potentially lead to a higher storage of fat. Additionally, incorporating foods with a thermogenic effect, such as green tea or chili peppers, can give a slight edge by increasing calorie burn. Regular exercise, particularly high-intensity workouts, can also boost these hormones, enhancing their fat-burning effects. Finally, ensuring quality sleep and recovery can support the brain's ability to regulate these hormones effectively. By understanding and aligning our lifestyle with these principles, we can work with our body's natural mechanisms to promote weight loss more efficiently. Let's talk about a hidden gem in our daily routine that helps us burn calories. It's called NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Think of NEAT as all the little movements and activities you do without thinking about it, like walking to grab a coffee or moving around while on the phone. These small actions might not seem like much, but they can really add up throughout the day, increasing the number of calories you burn without ever hitting the gym. By just being a bit more active in our daily lives, we can give our body's calorie-burning ability a big boost, which is great for our overall health. Now, what about when you feel cold and start to shiver? It turns out, shivering is not just your body's way of keeping warm. It's actually a calorie-burning workout provided by nature. When we shiver, our bodies burn calories to generate heat. But that's not all. This chilly reaction also starts changing the type of fat in our bodies. It helps turn white fat, which stores energy, into brown fat, which burns calories to keep us warm. So, a little bit of cold can be a helpful ally in our quest to lose fat. By embracing the occasional chill, we can subtly enhance our body's ability to be a natural fat-burning furnace. Let's take a closer look at the energizing world of stimulants and their unexpected yet pivotal role in fat loss. Caffeine, a beloved component of our daily rituals, holds power beyond its energizing effects. This common stimulant, found in your daily cup of coffee or tea, is more than a mere antidote to morning grogginess. It's a strategic tool in your fat loss arsenal. When you sip your morning brew, the caffeine swiftly goes to work, signaling your nervous system to ramp up the metabolic machinery. This isn't just a subtle boost. It's akin to stoking the fires within your cells, urging them to break down fat at an accelerated rate. The process is driven by an increase in circulating adrenaline, which travels to your fat stores and signals them to release fatty acids into your bloodstream. But the relationship with caffeine is a delicate dance of biology and strategy. It's not about indiscriminately increasing your intake. Rather, it's about understanding the timing and dosage that align with your body's rhythm and goals. The right amount of caffeine before a workout, for example, can enhance your performance, allowing you to push harder and tap into the energy reserves locked within fat cells. Moreover, caffeine's ability to promote fat oxidation is most pronounced when it's not counteracted by a high-calorie meal. This means that a carefully timed cup of coffee can indeed tilt the scales in favor of fat burning, particularly if consumed in a fasted state or alongside a meal balanced in macronutrients that doesn't spike your insulin levels drastically. However, there's a caveat to this potent effect. The body's response to caffeine can diminish with regular use, leading to tolerance. This means the fat-burning benefits could wane over time if your caffeine intake becomes too habitual. The key is to use caffeine judiciously, allowing your body to respond to it as a metabolic trigger rather than a daily necessity. In essence, caffeine is more than just a wake-up call. It's a metabolic enhancer that, when used with intention and awareness, can significantly bolster your efforts to reduce fat. It's a reminder that even the most commonplace substances, when harnessed with knowledge and purpose, can play a significant role in the complex process of shaping our health and bodies. Delving into the inner workings of our metabolism uncovers some truly fascinating mechanisms, particularly regarding the hormone GLP-1. This hormone is a multitasking maestro in our bodies, adeptly regulating our sense of hunger, our blood sugar levels, and how our body processes and stores fat. It's a critical player in maintaining the delicate equilibrium of our internal ecosystem. Now, imagine being able to influence this hormone naturally, guiding your metabolism toward efficiency and balance. Yerba mate tea emerges here as a natural ally. This isn't just your average herbal brew. Yerba mate is brimming with compounds that do more than just tantalize your taste buds. They can actually elevate your GLP-1 levels. This means that with each sip, you're not merely enjoying a warm, comforting beverage. You're actively participating in fine-tuning your metabolism. By incorporating yerba mate into your routine, you're choosing a path that supports your metabolic health without the need for pharmaceutical interventions. It's as simple as selecting your favorite blend from the tea aisle and letting nature's own recipe bolster your well-being. Transitioning from teas to the supplement shelf, we encounter L-carnitine, a supplement that's not just an addition to your regimen, but a potent facilitator of fat loss. Picture L-carnitine as the diligent transport service within your body, shuttling fatty acids into the mitochondria, the energy factories in your cells. Here, these fatty acids are transformed through the complex alchemy of metabolism into a vital energy source. L-carnitine ensures that fat isn't just stored away, but is effectively put to use, fueling your body's numerous activities. However, the efficacy of L-carnitine, like all good things, is maximized when it's part of a broader, well-orchestrated plan. It's essential to pair this supplement with a diet that keeps the insulin-glucagon seesaw perfectly balanced. Too much insulin, and your body tips towards storing fat. Not enough, and you might miss out on energy for your daily needs. Glucagon, on the other hand, is like the counterweight that helps release stored fat into the bloodstream, ready to be used as energy. It's this intricate interplay of hormones that orchestrates a symphony of metabolic processes, with L-carnitine playing a crucial role. By thoughtfully managing these hormone levels through mindful eating, perhaps with strategic supplementation, you can keep your metabolism humming along smoothly. It's akin to an acrobat's deft balance on the tightrope, a testament to the precision and agility that our bodies are capable of when given the right support. This balance is not just about shedding weight, it's about empowering your body to utilize its resources in the most effective way, ensuring that every calorie and every fat molecule is accounted for and used in service of your vitality. And that's a wrap on our express journey through Dr. Andrew Huberman's Science of Fat Loss. If you found this summary insightful and you're eager to apply these strategies in your own life, remember that knowledge is just the beginning, action is what transforms. For the full spectrum of Dr. Huberman's insights, be sure to check out his podcast linked below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content that simplifies science for your everyday life. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and success on your fat loss journey. Until next time, keep moving, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video.